Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Facebook app is out of date problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to use your Facebook app, you see a message that your Facebook app is out of date. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you use your Facebook app without updating itself. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So there's the only fix. You have to simply open your App Store or Play Store which you have, and here you have to simply search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending updates for your Facebook app. You must find here pending updates. So you have to try to update your Facebook app, and once you have updated your Facebook app, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use your Facebook app without any issue like that. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue that if you see the message your Facebook app is up to date. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.